Seasonal gardening, what to plant and when to plant it. Do you love gardening? Do you enjoy the feeling of getting your hands dirty and growing your own food? If so, then you are in luck. This video is all about seasonal gardening and what to plant and when to plant it. Welcome to Garden Pros. In this video, we will be teaching you everything you need to know about seasonal gardening. We will start by talking about the different seasons and what plants are best suited for each one. Then, we will discuss how to prepare your soil and choose the right plants for your garden. Finally, we will cover some tips on how to care for your plants throughout the year. So whether you are a beginner gardener or a seasoned pro, this video is for you. Let's get started. The different seasons. The first thing you need to know about seasonal gardening is that there are 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. Each season has its own unique climate, and this affects what plants you can grow. In spring, the weather is warm and sunny, and the days are getting longer. This is a great time to plant cool weather crops like lettuce, spinach, and peas. In summer, the weather is hot and humid, and the days are long. This is a great time to plant warm weather crops like tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers. In fall, the weather is cool and the days are getting shorter. This is a great time to plant cool weather crops like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. In winter, the weather is cold and the days are short. This is not a great time to plant anything, but you can start planning your garden for the spring. Preparing your soil. Once you know what season it is, you need to prepare your soil. The best way to do this is to till the soil and add some compost. Tilling helps to break up the soil and make it easier for the roots of your plants to grow. Compost adds nutrients to the soil and helps to improve drainage. Choosing the right plants. Now that your soil is prepared, you need to choose the right plants for your garden. When choosing plants, you need to consider the climate, the amount of sunlight, and the space you have available. If you live in a warm climate, you will want to choose plants that are tolerant of heat. If you live in a cold climate, you will want to choose plants that are hardy and can withstand cold weather. If you have a lot of sunlight, you can grow a variety of plants. If you do not have a lot of sunlight, you will need to choose plants that can tolerate shade. And finally, if you have a small garden, you will need to choose plants that are compact and do not take up a lot of space. Caring for your plants. Once you've planted your seeds or seedlings, you need to care for them. This includes watering them, fertilizing them, and protecting them from pests and diseases. Watering is essential for plant growth. You should water your plants regularly, especially during hot weather. Fertilizing helps to provide your plants with the nutrients they need to grow. You should fertilize your plants every few weeks. Pests and diseases can damage your plants. You can protect your plants from pests and diseases by using pesticides or by planting resistant varieties. In summary, seasonal gardening is a great way to grow your own food. By following the tips in this video, you can have a successful garden all year long. So what are you waiting for? Get started today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, Garden Pros. We will be releasing new videos every week, so you do not want to miss out. And be sure to like, share, and comment on our videos. We love hearing from our viewers.